Why does your scanner show the P2303 engine code? What does it mean? P2303 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition coil B, primary control circuit low. The P2303 engine code for indicate that your vehicle's engine computer, PCM, has detected a voltage drop or a short to ground in the controls the designated B ignition coil. Under this circumstance, short distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Short to ground in the wiring, corroded or loose connectors, oil or moisture contamination, PCM or ECM failure, moisture or corroded electrical connectors. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Toyota, Honda, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.